If you have kind of musty smelling spots in your home, like we have a couple closets that when it gets real warm in the summer months, they can kind of start to smell a little musty. And then also like in an area, like in the back area of our basement. So DampRid is the perfect solution for those kind of situations. There comes in different kind of packaging. So I like both different ones for different spots. So in the open area room, in the basement, like I'm going to put this on a shelf and I'll open up and show you how this works. But what this does is it collects the moisture from the rooms and kind of, or the closet or wherever you're putting it, and eliminates that kind of musty odor. So super, super helpful. We've taken this kind on vacation with us. Like we've gone to Mexico, and sometimes if you've been in those resort rooms, they do kind of have a little bit of a musty smell. So I will throw one of these hanging packs into my luggage. And then when we get there, I open it up and put it in the room. And it really, really does help eliminate that kind of musty odor that you get when it's real high humidity. So that's why one of the reasons that I like this hanging one and how I first discovered it. Because I used to put this container kind in the closet up on a shelf, but this hanging one does the same job, and it takes up a little bit less space because you can just hang it on the curtain rod. So I'm going to put one of these in a coat closet that we kind of pretty much just store coats in, especially as the colder months are going away. I like to keep those put away in a closet, and that's where this one's going to go. So it's just got these like pellets or whatever they're called, crystals in here. And then as it collects the moisture, these sort of dissipate. It collects moisture in here and you don't have a musty odor smell. So those are the two ways I like to use the hanging ones. And it comes in, like this has 3 packs in it of the hanger. And then this kind, I will, like I said, set this up for use in my basement area. And all you do is we open it up, and let me show you here real quick. You just open it. It's just a plastic tub, and the lid has like perforations, openings, whatever like that. So you take, it's like a 2-part system. The moisture in this kind will collect in the bottom of this tub. We're going to pour the crystals into this bin, and then they put the lid on, and then it just sits on a shelf in my basement. So super easy, great way to eliminate the musty odors if you happen to have those areas in your home, which a lot of older homes like ours do have that issue. So this is great. I don't need to usually do any of this during the winter months because obviously colder months don't cause that kind of smell. But there we have it. It's just going to go sit on the shelf in the basement. So if you have areas that you need, I can't recommend DampRid enough. Great product.